Do you want to use technology to help enhance the quality of life and connect the people in your community? Are resident engagement and staff efficiency important for you? If the answer to any of these is yes, then Cubigo's senior living platform is just what you need. Cubigo connects staff, residents, and family in a unified and easy-to-use environment. What makes Cubigo unique? Cubigo is a complete senior living platform. Our comprehensive features are catered to meet the ins and outs of your community. Keep your residents connected and engaged through chat groups and online participation to virtual and in-person activities. Residents are independent, request services with ease, have meaningful connections, and stay informed from the comfort of their own homes. Structured communication channels allow you to share real-time updates to residents and families, giving them peace of mind. Digital signage and in-room TV channel enable you to share information, videos, and updates with your residents through screens around the community as well as their own TV. Your team manages their daily tasks easily. They're empowered, share best practices, and can better attend to the needs of the community. The Cubigo ecosystem is continuously expanding with high-quality integration partners, seamlessly connecting all of your software providers to bring all your users together and create value in a single environment. The onboarding team and dedicated trainers will help your staff and residents to get up to speed quickly and efficiently. We are right there with you at every step of implementation, remote or on-site. Visit our website now to schedule a demo.